Hello! New day, new bahay. Today, I'm going to show you a house here in Dao, Mabalacat, Pampanga with a price of 12,500,000 pesos. Tara! So, as you enter, meron kang garden here. Pwede nyo naman pong palitan to in time. Pwede nyo siyang palitan. Tapos, here we have 2-car garage. And on the way here, pakita ko later. And yung house na to, meron na rin po siyang filtration. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Let's go inside. So, as you enter, ito yung kanyang living area. Living area. Tapos dito yung provision ng TV. Maluwang siya. And marami siyang pwedeng lagyan ng display. And here po ang inyong dining area. For 6-seater, dining area. Ang ganda. And here is your kitchen. Pwede kayo maglagay ng ano dito, ng high chair. Marami siyang cabinet. Maraming cabinet. Yan. So, lahat yan cabinet. May range wood. Meron na tayong ito here. Yan. And meron siyang kwarto dito. It's up to you if gagawin nyo siyang maid's room or storage area. Then, dito sa labas, meron tayong pwede nyo siyang gawin dirty kitchen. Pwede nyo gawing dirty kitchen to. In time. Ito yung ito yung powder room para sa mga visitor. And this area, hindi ko alam kung anong pwede nyo gawin dito. Pwede nyo gawing office, paayos nyo. Yan. So, akit tayo sa taas. So, right here, meron tayong family area. High ceiling. Ang ganda. May chandelier dito, may chandelier doon. Tapos, meron tayong balcony here. Medyo maulan lang, guys. Yan. May balcony siya. And here is your master bedroom. Master bedroom. And nandito ang kanyang walk-in closet and toilet and bath. And ito yung balcony kanina. Meron din access yung master bedroom sa balcony. Okay. Let's go to the other room. Ito yung common CR ng bedroom 1 and 2. Ito yung bedroom 1. Ang ganda. So, medyo maluwang din. Meron siyang AC. Wala nga lang pong cabinet. Ito. Bedroom number 4. Diba? Ang cute. So, guys, if you want to view this house, please call the number above and see you on the next house. Bye!